Hi, this is Francis Massen from the Computarium. I'm restoring a vintage Mercedes-Euklid Model 30 mechanical calculator from approximately the 1940. This is a curious machine because it is a variant with Stopdivision, what was called Stopdivision. Stopdivision is a strange manner to do a semi-automatical division, and you found that feature on several calculators before fully automatic division was available. If you look at the machine, you have here two keys to move the carriage and one core key, which may take three different positions: fully out, half down and full down. And on this side there is a lever which can be switched to M or A position, and on M position the keys do not come out automatically. Let me remove all this so that you have a better view on the inside of the machine. And I will do this famous division of 355 divided by 113. That's an approximation for pi. Now look how we will do this. First of all, I move the carriage to the most right position. That's this position here. And I will add the number 355 starting here above the column corresponding here to the last digit which can be shown. These wheels are the total wheels. These wheels show the number of operations which have been done. And I push the add key. Now let me zoom in, maybe that you have a better view of the indicator. Here at least you can see 3, and then I will move a bit the camera. After the 3 comes a 5 and a 5 and a 5. That's the number 355 which we have typed in. We made one operation, so the operational counter, which is here, has incremented to 1, and I will 0 it. That's done now. Okay, now comes the funny part. I push down the core. This key will be pushed fully down, and I type 113 above the number 355. Now I will make a subtraction. Trying to divide means I subtract 113 as many times as possible from 355. So let's do 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. And now that's the feature of the stop division. We ran into an underflow, into a negative number. So what did the carriage do? It sensed that position and it moved automatically one position to the left. And the counter here does show 4. 4 is not the correct number, it's 1 too many. So I will push the plus key now 1 time, and doing that, this first position here comes to 3. I continue to push it a second time, and then the second digit now shows 8. And I continue to push the plus key until the carriage moves again. And now the first digits from the result are 1, let me show that a bit more clearly, 3, 1, and then other numbers. So I revert now to the negative key, and I push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after pushing 5, the carriage again moves automatically to the left. I revert to the plus sign, plus key, sorry, and push until the carriage moves again. And I return to the minus key. So, and now again the plus key, and that's the last operation we have done. And if you look carefully, you find here 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. These are the first digits of pi. So what did that stop division, that curious stop division do? It made an automatically carriage movement, which we must not do by hand. The machine thinks for us. But what remains curious is this alternative pushing of the plus and the minus key after the carriage has moved one position. So that's what was called at the time a stop division. And stop division, as I told before, was the predecessor from fully automatical division. This is a beautiful machine that I auctioned on eBay. As always, it didn't work. The cable was cut off, and many things have to be cleaned and so on. But now it seems to work almost perfectly. Thank you for your attention.